Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This video is about sales service in warehouse and goods menu. In Finty, we offer two types of sales invoices. The first type is found within the repair shop management menu and is dedicated to repairs and the items used for repairs, which are for devices that take a while to fix and need to stay in your repair shop until the repair process is completed. I have already explained this in detail in the video related to repair shop ticket. So for more information about that, please watch this video. Let's go back. The second type, however, is for products and services that are sold or provided quickly and do not require the client's device to stay in your repair shop, such as changing a cell phone battery or replacing or applying a screen protector on a cell phone. And the products can be anything you sell. To generate a sales invoice, click on New and complete the form. Select the client's name from the list. For example, this client. And if your client's name is not already listed, you can add them via Add option. For guidance on adding users to the software, please watch the user service video in Users menu. As you see, the invoice number is automatically generated. And if you wish to include specific details about the sales invoice, you can use the invoice description section. For example, you can write that this is a sales invoice for an iPhone 15 device or anything like that. Next is the date that indicates when the invoice was issued, followed by the payment date. Now, in order to add products and services to the invoice, click on Insert Product or Service. From these lists, select the products and services you want to sell. If you can't find them on the list, add them to the software using the Add Products or Add New Service options. It's crucial to fill in all blanks, particularly the initial stock quantity for however many of that product you have, because if you don't enter it here, the software won't add it and will assume that you have no inventory of that item or product. So no products will be added to the software. When you add a new product here, it will be added to the product service in warehouse and goods menu as well. And when you add a new service here, it will be added to the service feature in the settings menu as well. Next, please remember to choose a salesman or repairman who made the sale or provided the service. This way, Finty will figure out their earnings, especially if they get paid based on commission. Just enter their commission rates in the system, which I have already talked about in the Access service in the Users menu. And once you enter the commission rates to the system, Finty will automatically calculate the salesman and repairman's profit and adjust the remaining options as necessary, and then click on Add to place the products and services into your client's cart. As you see here. And then close this pop-up window and click on Save, or save and go to Financial Entry to make the payment. This is the financial entry. I will explain this in detail in the Financial Affairs video in the Accounting menu. As you see, Receive From and Client's Name, and let's go and add Financial Transaction. And simply save, and save again. And the payment is made. You can click on this option to print invoice. You can print the invoice or save a PDF file. And we have two invoice templates as well. This one and this one. We also have a filter option that you can use to filter the results based on these options. You can also export an Excel file of all the sales invoices in your account. And as you saw, the service is really simple to work with, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.